Hi there, Kevin from CandleScience, here to tell you about one of our new fragrances for the fall and holiday season, Peppercorn Pomander. This elegant, upscale scent offers something a little different than standard seasonal fragrances, but still feels familiar. It opens up with top notes of orange peel and a snappy bite of peppercorn, while apple and mandarin in the middle reinforce the realistic fruitiness of the scent. Base notes of vanilla and tonka bean ground it with a sweet, pleasant earthiness. Capitalize on the elegance of this fragrance with our black straight-sided tumbler with a black metal flat lid for an ultra-chic presentation that appeals to both masculine and feminine sensibilities. And don't forget a coordinating label. And if you're considering expanding your line to include bath and body products, Peppercorn Pomander is skin safe and absolutely beautiful in handmade soaps, lotions, and scrubs. Give Peppercorn Pomander a try and share what you think with us and with other makers by leaving a review down below. Thanks for watching.